Given the average of 6 numbers is 32. If each of the first 3 numbers is increased by 2 and each of the remaining 3 is decreased by 4, then the new average is. So they given that let A, B, C, D, E, F average is equal to 32. Means what I am going to do is 32 into 6 becomes the total sum. The first 3 is increased. Now 32 into 6. First 3 is increased by 2, means 3 into 2, 6. The next 3 is decreased by 4, means 3 into 4, 12. So the total average becomes 32 into 6 minus 6. 6 take out common into 31. Now what is the average? 6 and 6 get cancelled, 31. Instead, what we can do was 32 plus first 3 people increased by 2. So 3 into 2, 6. Next 3 people decreased by 4. So 4 into 3, 12 divided by 6. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Minus 6 by 6 minus 1. So 32 minus 1 gives 31. Either method. Either you use this method or use this method. Then the average weight of 40 children of a class is 36.2. 40 children's average is 36.2. Then with the weight of, when 3 more children with the weight of 42.3, 39.7, 39.5 kgs join the class, the average weight of the 43 children in the class is, simple thing as before. So 36.2 plus, see that this is more than 36.2 by how much? 6.1 plus 39.7 is 3.5 plus 39.5 is 3.3 whole divided by 43, because total 43 people. 36.2 the original average plus now 3 people got increased. So their increased value I have taken compared to this average. So now total 12.9. 12.9 by 43 gives what? 0.3. So 36.2 plus 0.3 gives 36.5. Hope you understood this. Or else what we need to do? 40 into 36.2 gives the average, means sum of the 40 students plus the 3 people who joined, whole divided by 43. This is what we need to do. Next question. A student finds the average of 10 two-digit numbers if the digits of one of the numbers is interchanged. The average increases by 3.6. The difference between the digits of the two-digit numbers is, already we have seen that the average increased by how much? 3.6. Means initially it is x and now it become x plus 3.6. So the total increase in the average is 10, right? This is 10 and this is also 10. The difference will be 10x and 10x got cancelled. 3.6 into 10 will be, that is 36. Now see, this is what a sum of 10 numbers. Sum of 10 numbers here and sum of 10 numbers here, if I take, one number is digits interchanged, means the remaining 9 numbers from here and 9 numbers from here will cancelled or not? Yes. Now a two-digit number will be formed, 10x plus 5. If the digits are interchanged, it will be 10y plus x becomes minus, means it should be in this form. Now 10x minus x, 9x, y minus 10y, 9y, means 9 is common. If you remove that, x minus y, this is equal to 36. Then x minus y is equal to 36 by 9, 4. Hope you understood this. So the difference between the digits is 4. The present age of a family of 4 members is 36. Average is given 36. So sum becomes 36 into 4. If the present age of the youngest member of the family is 12 years, the average age of the family at the birth of the youngest member is, means this becomes 0. 4 members is 36 means 144. Okay, then one of the person age youngest is 12. If he is born, at his born means 12 years back we need to go. Means from the total I need to reduce 4 into 12. It becomes 4 if I take out common, 24. 4 24. See, 4 if I take out common, 36 minus 12 is 24. It becomes 96. Now how many people are there? So at the time the youngest person of 12 years is now 0. Means remaining 3 people. So 36 by 3 average is equal to 36. 96 by 3 is 32. 32 years. Then if the average age of 4 children is 12 years and the average age of these children and their father is 20 years. 4 children average is 12 years. With his father, 5 people now become 20. How many members are increased? 1 member. Average increased by 8. So 1 into 20, 20 plus 8 into 4, 32. So total it becomes 52. Who is this? Father's age is equal to 52. Then in a class the average score of girls in an examination is 73 and that of boys is 71. The average score of the whole class is 71.8. Find the percentage of girls. See, what I am taking was girls, let it be. Total number of girls are G and total number of boys are B. So sum of girls is equal to 73 into G and sum of boys is equal to 73 into B. Now 73 into G plus 73 into B whole divided by G plus B is equal to the total average 71.8. If you do this, you will get the answer. Or else what can we do? 73. 1 minute. See, this is 71 now. 73, 71. Every time whole average will be exactly between them. 71.8. This is allegation. Difference is 1.2. Difference is 0.8. So if you multiply by 10, it becomes 8 and 12. 4 2s, 4 3s. In this they are asking the percentage of girls. See, girls, this is girls and this is boys. So this is girls part and this is boys part. Girls are 2 out of 2 plus 3, 5 into 100 since we are calculating the percentage. So 5 ones, 5 20s, 40%. The mean weight of 34 students of a school is 42. 42. If the teacher be included, see, one person included, so 35 become 400 grams extra, means 42.4. Means how much increased? 400 grams increased, means 0.4 kgs. Now find the weight of the teacher. 1 into 42.4 plus 0.4 into 34. Actually multiplying, forget about 0.4. Multiplying by 4 is what? Doubling the number 2 times. 68, 136 means 13.6 since decimal is there. So it becomes total 42 plus 13, 55 plus 0.4 and 0.6 gives 1. So 56. 3 years ago, the average age of a family of 5 members was 17. 5 members average is 17. A baby having been born, the average age of the family remains the same. The present age of the baby is. So 5 members is 17. Okay. So the average sum becomes 85. A baby having been born. But this is 3 years ago. See, finally they are asking present. 3 years ago, if it is 85 on 5 people, then present will be how many people? 5 people. So each person we need to increase 3. So 5 into 3, 15. So it becomes 100. But this is how many people now at present? 6 members. Their average should be same. 6 into 17 is 102. See, average is same. When 5 members 3 years ago is 17, now 6 members their average is same, they are saying. Means 102 it should be. Means how much increased? 100 on 100 how much increased? 2. So this 2 years may be the baby's age. we need to find the age of the baby. The baby's age is 2 years. Then the average score of a class of boys and girls in an examination is A. See, I will take allegation directly. Boys and girls is A. The ratio of the boys and girls ratio, finally we will get boys and girls. Boys is this parts, but this ratio, the difference will get 3:1. If the average score of the boys is A plus 1, the average score of the girls is, say this difference, this is more, so A plus 1 minus A gives 1 here. Say 1 is 1, okay, directly we got it. Now this is 3, but this is bigger, means this should be small when compared to A, and we got 3 here. So difference of these both must be this number, so it is A minus 3. So A minus 3 gives plus 3, so this is A minus 3. So the average of girls must be A minus 3. Hope you understood.